Hi everyone. I don't plan on taking a whole lot of time. I've only got 4 questions for you to do, for us to do rather, or me to do and you to watch. So, same idea that we've been doing since yesterday. You've got your proportion set up. You know these are proportional because ratio equals ratio. That's what a proportion means. If you want to actually solve for what your variable is, you do the same thing as before. You find your cross product. So it is 2 times 12, which is 24. But over here you have 3 times the quantity, right? The whole thing, x minus 2. So you've got 3 times the quantity, x minus 2. And I mean, the hint right here, it's not much of a hint. It kind of just tells you what to do. You have to distribute this 3 into your quantity over there. That's called a binomial. This thing is called a binomial. So you've got 24 is equal to 3x minus 6. And then you add your 6 over. Okay, you've got 30 is equal to 3x. And you can just inspect this. What times 3 gets you 30? Probably 10, if you're not 100% certain. Divide, right? And then you get x is equal to 10. Okay? Number 20, it's the exact same thing. Okay, I want you to try number 20. I'm going to tell you, I want you to pause the video right now. Give number 20 a try on your own, and I'm going to go through it right now. So pause in 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to try it together. We'll see if you did the same thing I did. 10 and 2 makes 20. 5 and this other quantity. And if you're not 100% certain you can distribute in your head, don't. That's fine. Write it out. Write out, hey, 5 times that, 5 times the other guy. So you've got your 20 is equal to 5 times a is 5a. 5 times 7 is 35. And then you subtract. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh, no, wait a second. 20 minus 35 is negative, but that's okay. You can have negative answers. It will not break anything, okay? Divide by 5, divide by 5. You get a is equal to negative 3. And remember, you can and should flip that around when you're done with it, right? A is on the right-hand side, but then I put it on the left-hand side. It's an equation. You can flip it around, right? If A equals B, B equals A, you can flip it around as many times as you want. So, moving on, we've got something a little bit different here. Now you've got 2 expressions. Now, this actually isn't as bad as it seems. Excuse me, you just have to distribute twice now. So you'll have 10 times the r minus 1 is 10 times r minus 1 is equal to, and then 5 times r plus 6. Okay, so distribute. You've got 10 r minus 10 is equal to 5r plus 30. Right? The only difference here now is that you do have to get all of your r's on the one side. I say put them on the left because I don't like my r's to be negative. I don't like my variables to be negative. You end up with a positive 5r, right? You could do it the other way, but I don't like the other way, right? You don't have to listen to me. You can do it the other way. It still works. You just have to be careful. You've got your negative, right? Don't drop the negative. It is important. I'm adding my 10 over here to the other side. You could have done that up here. You could have added your 10 up there at the same time. That's fine. I didn't this time. And then we divide. All right, so r is equal to, 8? Question mark? Probably. I think so. Ooh, I had to think about it for a minute. And by the way, because I want you guys to actually watch this, if you, by your name or on the top of your homework right now, if you write, hey, I watched this, with 3 exclamation marks, then I'll give you some extra credit for it. For actually watching the video, for actually doing what you're supposed to be doing, I'll give you a little bit of extra credit. Why not? Why not? Okay. So, one more. Last one. A little bit different. Right, both of your binomials, both of your expressions are on the same side. It doesn't change anything. It's still 4 times the quantity, 5c minus 2, and it is still 7 times the quantity, 7 times the quantity, c plus 10. So you end up with 20c minus, oh, no, see, I distributed here, and I didn't distribute it here. I don't know why I did that. See, I gotta pay careful attention. That is an 8. That is an 8, my friends. There we go. So you get 7c, and the other one's 70, not 10. I'm gonna do 2 steps at once here, okay? Yeah, controversial maybe, I don't know. If you don't like it, don't do it. Right? But now I know I've got my C's right here. I'm going to have C values here, right? My C values over here go away. So what I'm going to do is I go, oh, my C's are over here. Well, that means I need to get rid of this guy. That negative 8's got to get gone. I have to get rid of it. So I'm going to add 8 right here, right now. Right there. So I end up with 13C is equal to 78, which means C is equal to, we have to divide 78 by 13. I don't know what that is. Hang on. Hold. 78 divided by 13. Oh, wait, it's 6? Wait, that works out nicely? I didn't know that. I mean, okay, I guess I see it now, but I didn't know that. Okay. Well, that's all I got. Your homework is due Monday. Turn it in. And write down what I said to write down, and you'll get some extra credit points, okay? I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.